In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a line chart using the Visualizer plugin. Visual aids like graphs, bars, pie charts, and other displays are a perfect way to merge your data beautifully and seamlessly with your content. You can easily add them using the Visualizer plugin. If you've saved your data in a spreadsheet, maybe using Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet program, then you can display that data as a chart using this plugin. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Visualizer plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the Visualizer icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, then click on Add New Chart. Here you have a couple different chart types to choose from. There are also some premium chart types as well, but those come with the upgraded version of the plugin. So for now, let's select the line chart, and then click on Next. Now, the first thing you need to do is import your data, or you can manually enter it from here. The data that I'm using for these charts is taken from here. You can click on this link to download an example file with the necessary format, and then replace it with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using the default data provided in the example file. Now go to Settings. And first we have the general settings. Here you can give this chart a title, you can change the title position from here, and the title color from here. You can also change the axis title from here. And then in the font style settings, you can change the font family and the size of the text from here. In the legend settings, you can change the position from here. You can change the alignment from here. And you can change the font color as well. And then over in the tooltip settings, you can determine the trigger that causes the tooltip to be displayed from here. And you can also choose to show color code from here. You can actually add animations for this chart. Just enable this, and then choose the duration in milliseconds. And finally, choose the easing from here. Then you can add the license and creator information from here. So now let's check out the horizontal axis settings. First, in the general settings, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color from here. Then you can add grid lines from here. And you can also change the color of those grid lines here. Then you can add minor grid lines if you want. And in the view window, you can add the maximum and minimum data value to render. The vertical axis settings are pretty much the same as the horizontal settings. You can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color. You can add grid lines, minor grid lines, and set the view window. Now, over in the line settings, you can set the line width and point size from here. You can also add curves from here. The selection mode determines how many data points a user can select on the chart. You can set the aggregation target from here. Then you can choose the point opacity from here, 0 being fully transparent and 1 being fully opaque. Then you have the chart size and placement. In the chart layout, you can configure the total size of the chart. You can add a background color from here, or you can choose to have a transparent background. Then in the placement setting, you can set the margins as well as the chart area from here. And then finally, click on Create Chart. And as you can see, the chart was created. Now click here to get the shortcode for this chart. And let's create a new page and add this chart to it. I'm just going to give this page a quick title. And then paste the shortcode here. Now, let's preview this page. And as you can see, the chart was added successfully here. This is how you can create a line chart using the Visualizer plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.